Find empirical studies using the Clovis Community College Library's research databases. On the Clovis Community College website, click on the library icon to get to the library's homepage. Select Articles or Research Databases. To use databases from off-campus, log in using your ID number and Canvas password. From the database list, select PsycArticles. PsycArticles provides full-text, peer-reviewed articles from the American Psychological Association. Select the Choose Databases link to search within another psychology database relevant to your research: Psychology and Behavioral Sciences. When you're not sure which database to choose, click the arrow next to a database for a summary. Click on the Advanced Search link to explore special search features. Enter your topic. You can use Boolean operators to let the database know what keywords to include or exclude from your search. Make sure the full text box is checked so that the database will only retrieve articles that you can access. We will also update the publication dates to the past 10 years. Locate and check the box for scholarly, peer-reviewed journals. Under Methodology, you may also select Empirical Study. The search results page shows that the database has retrieved 29 articles on this topic. The left-hand column provides the details of our initial search, and you may use the filters in the Refine Results area to further tell the database what you need. Click on a title for a detailed record page and to read an article. Details include publication information and an abstract, or summary of an article. You can read the full article by selecting the PDF full text link. Check for the following elements to identify empirical studies: an introduction, methods, results, and discussion. To use this article for your research, use the Saving and Sending options in the Tools area of the detailed record. You can email yourself a link or copy of this article, or generate a permanent link to this source.